Go. Okay. Hi everyone. This is for prize draw number 2 and lottery 216, our promotional early bird draw. This prize is valued at $5,000, which will be provided as cash, or should the winning resident live in Victoria, poor thing, they will provide it as $5,000 in gold bullion. To be eligible for this prize, the drawn ticket must be purchased in lottery 216 on or before the 16th of October and be an active uncancelled ticket. The ticket range for this particular draw starts at 10,001 and goes to 69,189. So the numbers in this first one, which is the 10,000 slot, goes from 1 to 6, because if you have a 0, of course it's a missed draw. So at this stage, I'll just ask Tom to double check the numbers, and if you're happy with them, could you please drop them into the slot? Okay, I'll now begin the draw process. Again, get along with me. Yay. Okay. The ticket number we have is 28424. 28424.
28424, yep.
Correct. Given that, I think we should have a winner. Great. Great. With the winning ticket number 28424, it's DH from Perigian Beach. So that concludes our draw.